Hello everyone, I thought I'd do a video to show you all how to manage your gear and skills in ESO. The first thing we need to do is get some sort of add-on manager. The best one I've found is Minion. You really don't need this, but it really helps keep everything together and lets you update with just a couple clicks. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to go through that today, but here's the website. Once you click on this, pick the correct version for your operating system and install. Once you've installed it and run the program, it looks just like this. What we're going to be looking for today is a couple add-ons made by an author named Wicked. To find those, click on Find More on the top up here. Just type WY in the search field and it'll fill in all of the stuff by him. The two that you want to install today are Wicked's Framework. All you do is click install there. I've already got it installed, so it says that. And Wicked's Outfitter. Install both of those, fire up your game, and we'll go from there. Yeah. Alright, once you have your game fired up, push K to show your skills. You'll see a new bar down here called Wicked's Outfitter. The first thing we're going to do is name our set that we're going to add. Click the little plus. I'm going to call this Heal Set. Click Save, and now you have your first set. I'm also going to create a second set called DPS. I'm going to make sure I go back on my heal because I'm going to set that up first. We'll put a bunch of skills for a healing set in here. Be sure to set both bars. Alright, that looks like I could heal all day. Once you get both bars set, click Save on Heal. You'll get a little notification here that it's saving. Just to be sure, I'm going to switch over to my other bar and click Save again. Yep, looks like you need to do that. So switch to both bars, click Save twice, once on each bar. Once you have that set, let's switch over to our DPS set. I'm using my mouse wheel to go up and down between those. Sometimes I have trouble using the arrows. I'm not sure why. So now let's set some DPS here. Once you have that set up just the way you'd like it, click Save on the first bar, switch to your other bar, click Save again, and now you have two different skill sets saved in Wicked's. Now let's push I and switch over to our gear. Alright, same thing here. We're going to name one set Heal. And we'll name a second set DPS. Now you set up your gear just the way you'd like for your heal skills. I'm going to go with double resto staff. It's great. I'm going to click Save on that. That saves this set of gear. Just for example, for my DPS, I'm going to just switch over to sword and board. And then I'll click Save on that. Alright, from this screen you can wheel down and click Equip and it'll switch between the two for you. But a much easier way is to set macros to do this, so you don't even have to go into these screens to do that. Push Escape and get into your controls. Scroll down until you find Wicked's. Toggle macro window, set something for that. I usually go with the period or the delete key on my numpad. pad. Where I only have 2 gear sets, so I'm just going to set 2 macros here. I'm going to set F10 and F11. Alright, we're done in here now. Push escape and get out of here. Once you get out of here, push the key that you set here to toggle the macro window. That brings up this. To change these, we've set one for number 1 and number 2 here. You can have up to 12. Right click on the number 1. Choose edit macro. Choose your sets in here. You click left click on these little things. Then click set for each one. He's put in, this is a recent addition, you can choose a emote to do when you're switching your gear. I'll blow a kiss there. Once you get all 3 of those, click save. Push your key to bring that back up. Let's set number 2. Oh yes, I'm very angry with my DPS set, so I'll save that. Alright, and now we have 2 gear and skill sets created that will switch whenever I push F10 and F11. Let's give it a try. That was F10, now let's go F11. You do have to swap your weapon bars to make it completely switch between the 2. And there you have it. That's how it's done.